Hey G Squad, welcome back to my soda. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool mid right here, and basically what this is a rolling crate or rolling cart that's also foldable. But the cool thing about this one is the fact that it works as a stair climber option. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first get the product, you can see it's all well packed and everything, but let's take everything out. So pretty much inside they give you guys the crate, and they also give you guys the wheels as well. Let's take everything out to show you guys what it looks like before you assemble it together. So once you guys take out the wheels, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys notice for this one, there's 3 wheels on here, and basically it works as a stair climber option. So if you guys are living somewhere where there's a lot of stairs, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But right here we do have the part for you guys to actually set it up. So you basically want to put it through right here, and screw this on when you guys do set it up onto the crate or the cart. But they basically provide guys 2 of them, one for each side. So I'm actually opening up the crate or the cart to show you guys what that looks like first. So first thing inside right here, you can see we do have instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here we do have the cover for the product. So this actually looks like on this side, and here is the other side. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product right here. So you can see in the front right here, we do have the brand logo, and they tell you guys which one we do have, which is basically the Stair Climber Elite option. Top out right here, you can see we do have the handle. So if you guys fully open it, it actually goes pretty far. And once you guys are done, you have to push the button on top to bring it back down. So very easy and very simple. Bottom part right here, you can see we do have the support to hold it in place when you guys do put it on a flat surface. On the side right here and right here, they do have a clip option for you guys to open up. So if you guys do open it, you do have the option to open it. So once you guys do open it, you guys can pull this part down. So that way you get the bottom part all set right there to put stuff inside. And if you guys notice right here and right here, they do have the option for you guys to lock it. So guys push it forward. That will lock it right here. And if you guys push right here, that will lock it in place to give you guys even more support when you guys do set it up. But once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the inside looks like. And when you guys look at the side, here's what the side looks like. And then here is the bottom. And if you guys want to put on the cover, let me show you guys what it looks like. The way how you guys install it is actually very easy. You just want to go like this, and just push it down on the side until it locks in. I do want to mention for this cover right here on top, you do have the option to put it in front. So when you take it out, you can put it in front right here, and just clip it on. Just like that. So that way you guys do have somewhere to actually put it. So when I close it back up, clip the side right here, and right here as well. And this is what the product looks like once you guys do fold it back up. So it's super compact and portable. But right here inside is where you guys want to set up the wheels. So let's do that first. So when you guys do set it up, you need to use the accessory to set it up, which is basically right here, that's included for you guys. So what you guys want to do is basically put this part in right here and screw it on. Once you guys screw it on to the point where you guys can't use your finger anymore or your hand, you can use the accessory to screw it tighter. You do want to make it as tight as possible, so that way it's not loose. Alright, so you can see how it sticks out a little bit when you guys do use it, which is totally fine. Now let's put on the other side as well. So same thing for this side. You guys want to put this part inside right here and slide it in. And you guys want to put this inside right here and screw it on. So here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do put on the wheels. And also if you guys notice for the one that we got right here, it is a black color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And if you guys are curious about what is the weight capacity for the product without the lid, it's 120 pounds. But when you guys use it with the lid, it's 280 pound weight limit. But I definitely love the way how they designed the product. It's super compact and portable. So that way you can put it on one side when you guys are not using it. And like I mentioned, I do have another one that's not a stair climber option. So I will show you guys what that looks like in a second. But definitely the overall build of this one is so much better than the one that I showed you guys in the past. So I'm actually bringing this over to a different room to show you guys what both of them looks like side by side. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have both of the cart that I was talking about, or the crate. So this is the one that I'm using almost every single day, and this is the new one that I just got. And when you guys do feel the quality for both of these, this one definitely feels a lot more sturdy and a lot more high quality than this one. But let's fully set up both of them to show you guys what the product looks like. So here's the first one, and here we have the other one. Alright, so once you guys set up both of them, here is basically what the product looks like. So I literally right off the bat when you guys do feel material for both of them, you can definitely feel the quality that's on here is much more high quality than this one. And when you guys do use it, this one only has one wheel on both sides, whereas for this one has 3 wheels. So when you guys roll it, this one only use 1 or 2 of them at the same time, but when you guys are rolling up the stairs, it'll use all 3 of them, because basically what happened, it rotates it, which is pretty cool. It does roll and glide really easily, and you see right here. And like I mentioned for the top right here, it does give you guys a good amount of weight capacity or weight limit. So when you sit on top, it should support your weight as long as you guys are under 280 pounds. So I sit on top. And you see how supported the product is when you guys do sit on here. And then for this one, it does support my weight as well. So that way not only does the product work as a storage cart or storage crate, so that way you can move stuff around, but also give you guys the option to sit on here when you guys are tired as well, which is pretty cool. And then obviously on the side, they do give you guys a hold for you guys to carry around really easy as well. Same for the back part and the front. And then for this one as well, same thing. And when you guys do feel the weight that's on here compared to this one definitely feels a little bit more lightweight compared to this one. And that's probably because of the overall material and also the wheels that's on the bottom. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it side by side. You can see both of them definitely works pretty well when you guys do use it. And then once you guys are done using the product, it's actually very easy for you to put it away. So let's start with this one right here first. Alright, so that one's set. So you see it didn't take that long to put it away. It's actually very easy and very simple. But that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to set it up and how to use it. And you see it's very easy and very simple. Now going back guys. So nice quick test the product and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see when you put on both of them side by side, you can definitely see the difference that's on here. The stair climber option is slightly bigger than the other one, but it does feel like a higher quality product the way how they build it. Because of the 3-wheel option, the extra lock option, and just everything about it just feels like a higher quality product when you guys do use it. And when you guys use the stair climber option, it'll make your life so much easier when you guys need to carry stuff up and down the stairs. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality foldable crate that also provides guys with the stair climber option, so that way you can bring your stuff up and down the stairs really easily. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.